Hi. Welcome to Sri Lalit Impex Bangalore. Please watch the video where we rectified a washroom door frame without removing the entire frame but cut the bottom part of the frame and replaced it with WPC frame. Do you know that the section of the previous WPC frame was 7 by 2.5? We have joined two pieces together and made the section. Also, we replaced the wooden door damaged with new WPC doors. These days most of the people are facing the problems not only with doors but also with frames. Hence, we did not remove the entire frame because there is lot of expense involved in removal of the frame. Only part of it was cut and replaced with WPC frame, which is the main defect area. We supply all varieties of doors like Burma border teak, Ghana teak, mahogany wood, Pune wood doors, flush doors, one-side teak veneer, both side teak veneer, laminated doors, membrane doors, router primer coat doors, WPC frames, solid wood frames, plywoods, laminates and other turnkey solutions.